All right, so we are going to look at these words up here, two, and two, all the twos, and figure out what they mean and how they are properly used. Because sometimes we make some minor mistakes in our writing. We want to kind of clear those out of there. So we're going to start off with this to, and to, that form of to, is a preposition which means toward or until. Okay, so once again, toward or until. Let's take a look at it right here. They went to the dance early. In this case, it's the preposition form. It means, in other words, they went toward the dance early, or they went, they moved toward it. They got there. Okay, so that's the reason why we're going to use that form of the to there. This one, too, means excessive. It can also mean also, okay, and it's an adverb. So let's see this one. Too much complaining gets you nowhere. In other words, an excessive amount. I want to do that. Boo-hoo. All right, that complaining is not going to get you anywhere. Okay, it's too excessive. All right, there's an extreme amount of it. Okay. Just like if you had too much spaghetti, your tummy's going to feel sick, bloated. All right, too, because it's in excess. It's an excessive amount. All right. Now, if we're going to use too as the transition word, which means also, let's take a look. She too is very kind, which means also. She also is very kind. And I'm going to separate this with apostrophe, or not apostrophes, but commas, I'm sorry. With commas, it's kind of like that comma party around all transition words. So she also is very kind. She too is very kind. And this could also go at the end. She is very kind, comma, too. Okay, that would work as well. Then TWO is simple. It's the number. More than people can play Fortnite. Okay, more than 2 people can play Fortnite. It's just the number 2. Number 2. Okay, so once again, TO means toward or until. TOO means in excess of it, or an excessive amount. Or it could also be that transition also. And then TWO is 2. And speaking of which, 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is deuces. I'm out. You can cut it.